Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to PKJ, PSC and BPSC channel. So today's topic, it will be extension of Jharkhand education, which we started some 15 days back. Actually, I was traveling and hence I was not able to create the video. But from now on, I'll create the video very frequently. Every week, I'll try to put at least 2 videos on Jharkhand Public Service Commission paper 2. So I'm also expecting that we'll get notification very soon. So let's start our video. So last time we talked about autonomous universities, institution like Birla Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management, IIT Dhanbad, IIIT Ranchi, National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, XISS and XLRI. So please go through my previous video because 3 questions will be asked. So they can ask anything like when these institutions were established, and most important question will be where these institutions are established, like in which district it is there, it is available. So we talked about IIM, IIT Dhanbad, IIIT Ranchi, National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, Birla Institute of Technology, NIT Jamshedpur, XISS Ranchi, XLRI Jamshedpur. And today we are going to talk about some university in Jharkhand. Look, there are 2 types of university in Jharkhand. One is obviously public university. And even in public university, one university is a central university, which is directly managed by central government. Central government isko manage karti. And some universities are state universities, like state government managed those universities. And there are many private universities in Jharkhand, and at least in last 4 or 5 years these universities are crept in Jharkhand. So we need to have little knowledge about when they started, in which district it is situated, or let's start. So there you can see kitne zyada list hai. There are so many universities. When I was trying to do this, create this, I was like surprised that there are so many universities in Jharkhand. So there are AISECT University, Amity University Ranchi, Arka Jain University, Binod Bihari Mehtuk, Kolyanchal University, BIT Mesra, Capital University Kodarma, Central University of Jharkhand, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University, Aikhwa University, Jharkhand Rai University, Kolhan University. So there are so many universities. Let's talk about some of the university in this video, and we'll talk about some university in the next video. So remember, there are so many universities doesn't mean we need to do everything. We need to do only those universities who are very important. Or though I am going to talk about all the private university, but remember this thing, this only important question could be where it is situated, not even when it was established. They'll not ask when it was created. They'll mostly ask when it was situated, where it is situated. So the first university which I'm going to talk about is AISCET University. So it is located in Hazaribagh. That's it. This is very important question. Though you can, if you want to know, it was actually created in through AISECT University Act 2016, but not that important according to me, but still. And it's a private university. Okay, Amity University, another private university. As you know, Amity University is a very famous private university, mostly situated in Noida, but they have branch all over India. Sare jagah India mein branch hai. So one of the branch they have opened located in Ranchi, but this is also a state private university. So it was established in 2016 by Amity University Act 2016. Okay. So remember this thing, that was also a state private university. Okay, so let's talk about Arka Jain University, another private university. Where it is situated? It is situated in Gamaria. Gamaria is in Saraikela Kharsawa district. It's in near Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India. It was established in July 2017, followed a letter of intent in late 2016. They got a letter of intent in 2016 that you can start the university, and they created Arka Jain University, which is situated in Gamaria. This is important. Okay, this university is not private university, and hence if it's not private university, this university will be important actually. Binod Bihari Mehto Koilanchal University, located in Dhanbad. Okay, where it is located? It is located in Dhanbad, and it's a state university. State government managed this university. This university campus was laid down on 13th November 2017. The university campus was created by Dr. Sri Raghubar Das, then Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Nevertheless, he has not done anything for Jharkhand. Nevertheless, even I believe Hemant Soren is also not doing any substantial thing in Jharkhand, and jobs are still, though he promised lots of jobs, but I don't know where the jobs are. Nevertheless, we are not going to discuss politics. So the university has 10 constituent colleges, 18 affiliated college, 25 B.Ed college, 2 engineering college, 2 law college, and 1 medical college, and spread across Dhanbad and Bokaro district of Jharkhand. And obviously this university is located, headquartered in Dhanbad. You need to know this. This university is headquartered in Dhanbad, and where and all the colleges of this university is more or less located near Dhanbad and Bokaro. So let's move to BIT. This is important, though this is a private university, but it's important university because it is very old university and one of the respected university in Jharkhand. So it was established in 1955. This will be very important. Remember this. Just mark it. 1955 में इसका establishment हुआ था. Okay, there are so many extension counter like of this university. कोलकाता में है, पटना में है, रांची में है, देवघर में है. Obviously रांची में तो main university है, but देवघर and Patna and Noida, Kolkata, Jaipur, and even they have offshore university, मतलब international center भी है इसका, like Ras Al Khaimah, UAE, Muscat, Oman. Okay. In 1960, it was affiliated to Patna University till 1960. So this is 1955. This university was established. Till 1960, it was under Patna University (PU), and then followed by 1960 के बाद it was under Institute of Science and Management, Ranchi. Okay, 1960 के बाद, and the deemed to university in 1986. This university became deemed university. Okay, deemed university. This is the first university in India who started space engineering and rocketry science branch in engineering. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Capital University, another very fascinating private university situated in Koderma. You don't need to even know when it was created. I think 2018 and all, but that's not important. Important is where it is situated. It is situated in Koderma. Okay. Central University of Jharkhand, very important question. Why important? Because this is obviously central university, and what will be the important in this university? Which question could be asked? Like obviously it's situated in Jharkhand. Where it is situated? It is situated in Ranchi. There is a place Bambare in Ranchi. It is situated there. And when it was established? It was established in 2009. Okay, and you need to know this. Who was the first chancellor of this university? Then obviously Srimati Pratibha Patil was the first chancellor of this university. Then you should also know who was the first chief vice chancellor of this university. Professor Darlango T. Khathing was the first vice chancellor of this university, though the current vice chancellor is Professor Dr. Nand Kumar Yadav Indu. Though you need to update it, you need to check it. This is the latest data. I don't know. He can change anytime. So please do check it. Who is when you are reading it. Okay, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University. Okay, previously it was known as Ranchi University. Previously it was known as actually Ranchi University, state university, and there was a controversy when they were converting this university's name to Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University. Formally, previously Ranchi University se pehle it was known as Ranchi College, and obviously it is situated in Ranchi, and it was established in 1926 as a college. It was established in 1926 and upgraded to university in 2017. So 1926 to 2017, it was actually known as Ranchi College, and I'm perished after 2017. It was university and it was known as Ranchi University, and then it got renamed as Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University. Okay, ICFAI University, another private university. Where it is situated, this is important thing will be where it is situated. It is situated or located in Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. Obviously located in Ranchi. So you don't need to know what is the full form of ICFAI, but if you want to know, I have written it, read it. Institute of Chartered Financial Analyst of India University. Okay, I think Hyderabad, they are based in Hyderabad. Okay, Jharkhand Rai University, another private university. Okay, so it is situated in Ranchi, mostly in Kamre, located in Kamre, Rathur Road, Ranchi. It was established by the Jharkhand State Legislature under Jharkhand Rai University Act 2011. So another good private university. One of my friend works here, Jharkhand as a assistant professor, Jharkhand Rai University. Okay, Kolhan University, though this is very important because this is state university. Kolhan University is a state university. Okay, and where it is situated. So remember this thing, Binod Bihari Mehto University was situated near Bokaro and Dhanbad area. This university is situated or located at Chaibasa in the West Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. West Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. So remember this thing, Chaibasa. And this university covers which area? It covers around East Singhbhum, West Singhbhum and Sarai Kela Kharsama district. Okay, so it has around established on 13th August 2009, and this university is actually covers East Singhbhum, West Singhbhum and Sarai Kela Kharsama. Okay, it has 14 constituent colleges, 12 affiliated colleges in geographical jurisdiction. That is not important. Okay, so this is another very important college or university. Actually, this is central government's university, National University of Study and Research in Law. It is explicitly law university. The full form is National University of Study and Research in Law. Actually, it is actually also known as NUSRL, National Law University, located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. And the most important thing is it was inaugurated by Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra on 26th April 2010. So remember this thing. This is university actually inaugurated by Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra on 26th April 2010, and it has 63.76 acre site, and it is known as, according to university, if you see geographical area of university, it is actually among the largest national law university in India because it has 63.76 acre site, and hence it's the geographically the area is largest among all the law university in India. Okay, so that will be important question. Okay, so guys, that's it for now, and we'll talk about other university which are there. Like I can go back and tell you which all university are left. Okay, this Netaji Subhash Chandra University, Nilambar Pitamba, this is a state university. Radha Govind University, another private university. Ramachandra Chandravanshi University, Ranchi University is obviously, we have finished Ranchi University. We have actually, because Ranchi University is now known as Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee University. Sainath University, another private university. Sarla Birla University, another private university. Sidhu Kanu University, another private university. No, Sidhu Kanu will be not private university, it will be state university. Vinoba Bhave University, another state university. Usha Martin, another private university, and YBN University, another private university. So from that's it for now. We'll talk about this university, private as well as state university, in the next video. Please do like my channel, subscribe to it. Bye bye. Happy studying. Please study well.